Arun Jaitley, the finance minister says that growth for 2014 will be 4.9% on the assumption that quarter 3 and quarter 4 will grow at least 5.2%. But given that the first half of the year has just managed 4.6%, do you believe that the economy can jump up in growth terms so substantially in the second half? And therefore, what is your view of his belief that for the year as a whole we'll grow at 4.9%?
Well, I'll be extremely delighted if we did grow by more than 5%, because eventually the target is to go up gradually back to the 6, 7, 8 and then finally 9% growth rate. After all, we did have a 9% growth rate for a reasonable period of time. But prima facie, it looks difficult. And it looks difficult because of the fact that currently services seems to be your only engine of growth. As far as the manufacturing sector is concerned, there is hardly any expansion in both manufacturing and mining. If you actually see the excise collections in the revised estimates, they have gone down over what was the budgetary estimates. So in terms of the manufacturing sector, you are collecting much lesser than what you were. Even the service tax collections, which is an indication of how the service sector is going to grow, is substantially lesser than the anticipated amount. Of course, agriculture is done well in terms of volumes, but that's also because of the state-specific performance. And I think if you take the cumulative effect of all three, it will be very challenging to push up the growth towards the later part of the year. Personally speaking, I'll be too delighted if that were to happen.
So in other words, what you're saying is that 4.9% for the year as a whole, and more particularly a minimum of 5.2 for quarter 3 and quarter 4, in your eyes, is very unlikely. Have I understood correctly?
It looks very challenging, I would say that.